Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mom and Gitu. In this video, I'll show you how to draw a 3D butterfly in a simple and easy way. Now first you need to draw the butterfly body, and the main thing to remember here is the angle at which we need to draw the body. So you can see a small tilt. So that is how you have to draw. That is important. And then you go ahead and draw the upper wings. You can take any shape of the butterfly, that is okay, but the few things that you need to remember is the angle with which you draw the butterfly body, and the lower wing should be thin and a smaller one compared to the upper wing, because when you want to show a realistic butterfly and when it is flying, you can see one wing would be a little bit smaller, so your lower wing should be a bit smaller. Once you are done with the outline, then here I am drawing the shadow. The shadow also should be at an angle to the original butterfly. Just watch the angle here, and when you draw it, ensure that you are also following a slight angle. And the size of the shadow should be slightly smaller. Now you can give the detailing to the wings whatever way you want. So keep it abstract so that it looks natural. Do not go for any perfect shapes. So just go ahead and add some triangles, rectangles, some circles, and just keep it as abstract and uneven as possible. That will give a natural look to the butterfly. So I'm done with the upper wing, and now I'm going with the second wing. And when you're giving the detailing also, you should remember that this wing is smaller and the details also should be thinner, like this. So our butterfly is ready. Now we'll go ahead and give an outline with a black pen. You can use a fine point marker or a black sketch pen. So first I'm drawing the outline. Use a thin tip pen so that it will be easier and all the lines will be distinct. So we are done here. Now you can use watercolors, pencils, sketch pens, whatever you want to color it, and whichever colors you want. So first I am finishing off the black color. Initial outline I have given it with a thin pen, and here I am taking a thicker marker or a sketch pen, and then I am covering up the entire butterfly. So here I am planning to use blue, green and black as the butterfly colors. So first I am finishing the dark shade, that is the black. Ensure whatever colors you are using, you get a smooth finish to it. If you are using sketch pens, you would get the smooth finish. If you are using pencils also, ensure you are doing 2-3 coats and it looks smooth and neat. If it is not smooth and if there are lines in the coloring, if it's not shaded properly, then the look will not be realistic. So here we are done now. Next I will use a light blue to give some shading for the wings. So half of the wings I'm using light blue because I want to use a double shaded this thing. You can cover it entirely with blue also. It's up to you. You can use yellow, orange, brown, purple. Any colors would look good. So now I will be mixing up green, and whenever you are shading, ensure that both the colors blend like this nicely. On top of blue also you have to extend the green. So I'm blending the green with blue here. And then I want to add a little bit of highlights, a little bit of blue dots here and there, and some black dots on the blue surface. Now with this black dots, it gives a more natural look, if you can see that. Yeah, so now my butterfly is done. Next I will do the shadow. So for the shadow, I'm taking initially a grey colored color pencil and I'm shading it completely in grey. Here also ensure that the finishing is smooth, and the important thing to remember, whenever you're shading, it should be in the same direction. Your shading should be in one single direction. It should not be in multiple directions like this. Now next I'm marking the half the butterfly so that I will cut the portion. Here you can do it in two ways. You can either cut it like this, the way I did, or you can just leave the paper and color the first half in a dark shade. So like this. Few things to remember, your shadow should be dark and smooth. The other thing, the angle for the butterfly and the shadow should be perfect so that it's realistic. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.